Congratulations on finding your perfect RV. Allow me to take this opportunity to show you how to keep your new RV looking showroom new for many years to come. Your RV will have one of two types of exterior surface, either fiberglass like this one or aluminum. Unfortunately, both surfaces react very poorly to the ultraviolet rays of our everyday sunlight. When left untreated, this causes weather-induced fading to happen much too quickly. This unit is showroom new. You can see how the exterior is still glossy and bright. In just 5 years, unprotected units can lose this gloss and brightness to look like this. Thankfully, there is a professional-grade treatment available to protect your unit against this loss of gloss and fading. When professionally applied here at the dealership, your unit is protected before it even leaves the lot. We are so confident in our exterior sealant that we guarantee against the loss of gloss and oxidation for up to 5 years. Now let's talk roof. Most RVs like this one have a rubber roof sheeting. This rubber roof sheeting is made of vulcanized rubber, which means that it's a polymer-based product. When ultraviolet sun rays consistently hit this roof, a chemical reaction causes petroleum to be drawn out of the rubber material. This reaction is also what causes tires to dry and crack over time. Now let's fast forward to when it rains and that excess agent is just sitting on top of your roof. The rain washes the excess down the side of the camper, and this is how you get those notorious black streaks. Now let's take a look at some newer units that have acquired these nasty little streaks. With our exterior chemical sealant applied professionally, these black streaks are guaranteed to wipe right off with any basic household cleaner and water, and it's guaranteed for 5 years. This sealant is basically like laminating your RV. It cuts down on the frequency of washing and eliminates the need for waxing. With the help of our exterior protection, your unit can look as good 5 years from now as it does today. Protect your unit from the environmental damage that RV owners see all too often. Tree sap, bird droppings, hard water etching, oxidation, road salt, acid rain, and insects, especially those pesky love bugs. And don't forget, protecting the exterior of your RV is only half the story. Our professional protection allows the interior carpet, furniture, and any other fabric application to resist stains and repel liquids. How many times has this happened to you? A guarantee against muddy feet, spilled drinks, and puppy accidents sounds like a great idea to me. We are so confident in this professional-grade protection that we guarantee against fabric stains inside your travel trailer, fifth wheel, or motorhome for 5 years. With a one-time professional application available only here at the dealership, the interior and exterior of your RV is guaranteed for up to 5 years. So to maximize your trade-in value and keep your RV beautiful for years to come, protect your investment today.